Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listings. This is 7 hectares or 70,000 square meters at 250 pesos per square meter, located here in Barangay Poblacion, Tabuaylan, Cebu, approximately 2 kilometers from National Highway. So 2 kilometers and 2 kilometers at the White Sand Beaches in Tabuaylan, Cebu. So it is along the road. So actually guys, the road is traversing to the property. Then owner will allow portion to sell. So meaning they will allow a portion. So the good thing here guys, it's along the road. From National Highway, there are mix of rough roads and concrete road. So meaning going back and forth from National Highway to the property are mixed with rough roads and concrete road. So it's still a good investment. This is ideal for poultry also development or any kinds of livestock supply. There is a water line connection approximately 100 meters away from or 50 meters away from the property. So again, the property, the total size is 7 hectares, then only owner will allow a portion to sell their property. So meaning pwede sila magbenta ng portion which is a minimum of 1 hectare. So pwede sa 1 hectare. Dito sa location guys, pag nandito ka sa baba ay wala talagang signal. Pero kung gusto mong magka-signal ng internet or signal ng cellphone, may mga portion sa property medyo mataas. So, pwede ka doon according to the caretaker of the property. So, doon tayo sa medyo taas ng kaunti. So, it's really nice. Aprobado na po yung mga cadastral survey. So, pwede na ma-title. Pag aprobado yung mga cadastral survey, pwede yon ma-titulo. Yan ang kagandahan ng property natin. Actually, may portion din dito na 4,000 square meters. So, kung bibili tayo, kasi may isang nakatitulo dito na 4,000 square meters, gusto ni may-ari gawin talagang mga around 1 hectare. So, kulang na lang yan ng mga 4,000, let's say 6,000 para maging 1 hectare. Kasi minimum yung gusto ni owner, 1 hectare talaga ang ibibenta. Kung
Kung may kulang man, yung 4,000 ay magkuha pa rin ng another around 6,000 para maging 1 hectare yung bibilihin ni buyer. So few minutes drive from beach resort. So malapit lang yan, guys. Imagine just only around 2 kilometers. After that 2 kilometers, it's already the highway and the beach resort. So maganda rin, no? Medyo mahangin dito, guys. At kaunti lang talaga yung neighborhood. May maraming mga neighbor dyan sa mga distansya lang, mga more or less. Yung isa, nandito, yung kapatid ng caretaker dito. Yan. Parang yung mga nakatago lang, mga neighbor. So, yan po lahat. Ganyan talaga ang sitwasyon ng kalsada papunta doon. Parang may sa gitna. So, kailangan marunong ka mag-drive, no? Okay? Para maano yung gulong. Masyat yung dalawang gulong. Okay? May dito. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay? Then we will process transfer of title. And if you have properties for sale, just submit it to us. It will help you sell your property. Okay? Thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.